First Alert 5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone, to News 5 at 10 on this Monday. Today, we managed to squeeze out a little bit of sunshine, but we completely erased that on Tuesday. Expect a damp and dreary day with periods of light rain and snow above 7,000 feet here in southern Colorado. Tonight, we're still above freezing in the Springs at 38, also above freezing in Pueblo with a pair of 4s out there. Current conditions show a feels like temperature of 39 and winds pretty light out of the east-southeast at about 10 miles per hour. A weak disturbance bringing a little bit of light rain across the eastern plains. You can see it from I-70 south into Kit Carson, Eads, down into Lamar and Holly, seeing some of those light rain showers. And maybe a little bit of light rain mixing with snow here out towards Castle Rock. That's staying generally north, though, of El Paso County and the Palmer Divide. So that disturbance tonight continues to spread some energy out across western parts of Colorado. This is going to deepen a little bit overnight tonight, and as it does so, we'll get some of those easterly upslope winds here in the plains, and that brings in our potential for some freezing drizzle. Now, unfortunately for us, because we need the precip, it's been very dry lately, most of this gets wrung out over the higher elevations. State's central and northern mountains, including the I-70 corridor, under winter weather advisories until 9 a.m. Wednesday. Could see as much as 5 to 12 inches of snow. And if your travels take you into the higher terrain of Colorado, expect travel delays. Keep an eye on CDOT or cotrip.org, as there could be some road closures due to the heavy snow that falls tomorrow during the day. And let's time it for you locally. Take a look at Futurecast, now showing a little bit of precip, probably some drizzle here, but maybe some light rain showers into the Springs tomorrow morning with all the cloud cover. Temperatures are going to be cold once again. Think back what we saw on Sunday. Probably a near repeat performance of that as we make our way into Tuesday, and some snow moving in off the mountains into parts of Teller County, mainly out towards Pikes Peak. That's where that is. Then maybe a little bit of a break around the lunch hour, but the model brings in more rain showers heading into tomorrow night. Could be a slick commute between Denver and the Springs, 6 o'clock, and I think some of that likely changes to snow as colder air moves in just past sunset Tuesday night. So if you want to get outside and do some errands, take the dog for a walk, have the umbrella, have the rain gear you'll need. It'll be cold and wet at times during the day. Temperatures only into the upper 30s to 40s here in the Pikes Peak region. 5 o'clock still hovering in the upper 30s. I took a shot at this. This is not going to be a big snow event for us. Again, most of the accumulation probably above 8,000 to 9,000 feet, but we could get a trace, maybe a light dusting out there from Monument to Black Forest, probably just on grassy surfaces, and potentially a trace to 2 inches around Woodland Park to Cripple Creek. The bluer shading here, that's Pikes Peak Summit, where we could pick up anywhere between maybe 2 to 4 inches of the white stuff. Overnight lows tonight hovering around the freezing mark across the I-25 corridor, down to about 28 in Woodland Park and 28 in Walsenburg. Expect that cooler weather tomorrow, and some of these numbers I think might be a bit ambitious, especially if the sun doesn't come out. I'm hoping we get up to around that 42 though in the Springs. Let's show you our brand new Super 7-day forecast here on News 5. Let's give you a breakout of what you can expect on Tuesday. We'll be on weather alert because of morning drizzle and freezing drizzle, daytime rain showers, and again, snow levels hovering at or above the 7,000-foot level. I think maybe a little bit of early morning rain on Wednesday. Otherwise, we should see improving conditions with partly cloudy skies through the afternoon as temperatures warm into the 50s. That trend continues with more sunshine and a warm up as we head towards the first weekend of November. For Pueblo, drizzle early with a chance of afternoon and evening rain showers. Most of that ends before daybreak Wednesday. Take a look at the end of the 7-day period. 70s expected for maybe as many as 4 days, Friday through early next week. Canyon City, some afternoon to evening rain showers here. Low impacts expected in most of Fremont County. Drying out by Wednesday afternoon, probably sooner than that. Thursday to Friday, temperatures climbing with 70s by the weekend. Woodland Park, we're going 2 on the impact scale. Could see some light accumulations, as I mentioned, in parts of Teller County. And watch out Tuesday night to early Wednesday morning, Rob. That's when the roads could be a little bit slick and snow covered in some spots. Send it back to you.
Alan, thanks for the warning.